Welcome. First, let me tell you how the do-it-yourself crates or plans work, and then I'll tell you why. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down to the page that has the list of links that go in the particular kit that you have chosen. Go ahead and load all of those things into your shopping cart. Once they're in the shopping cart, it's easier to eliminate the things that aren't a good fit for you, your child, your student, or your budget. So load everything into your cart, then set a budget. Hey, for this unit, I'd like to spend no more than this dollar amount. And then cherry pick from the things on the list that fit you and your student and your budget best. And then you go ahead and you order the physical products and you download the printable mini lesson. While you're waiting for your goodies, that's when you prepare the printable mini lessons. So you would print the worksheets that need to be printed, cut out things that need to be cut out or laminated, and get those set so that once the physical products come, you're ready to go. Now, why does this work? When you mix an amazing topic of learning with things that kids can touch and manipulate and play with, something magic happens. Kids fall in love with enjoying and learning about something, and they kind of miss the fact that they're doing school type stuff, that they're doing academics. So whenever you get a chance, you want to take an idea or a topic and you want to immerse the kids in things that they can taste, that they can see, they can hear, they can feel. And that's the beauty of things like subscription crates and the real beauty in the do-it-yourself crates. The reason I decided to do these crates this way, to give you lists of suggestions wrapped around subjects and topics, is because it saves you the most money possible. I was gonna do standard subscriptions where I would put together a crate and you would order it and then I would send you the goods. But then there was that chance it wasn't going to be the best fit for you and your kids. And I was going to have to charge twice the amount of money in order for it to be profitable on my end. So this is the best of both worlds. I've taken a topic or a subject. I've created mini printable worksheets or lessons for you and your kids to follow. And then I have cherry picked and curated some amazing books, stories, and hands-on activities for you to incorporate together with your kids. Sound great? Now, the last pro tip that I want to tell you is whenever you bring something like a game or a manipulative into your learning environment, you want to give your kids a chance to play with those things before you introduce them as a learning experience. Let them play with the manipulatives. Let them use the utensils. Let them try the game and make up their own rules first before you say, hey, now we're going to use this for an academic type thing. Sound good? So pick your do-it-yourself crate or kit, put everything into your cart, set your budget, choose the things that will work best for you, your students, and your budget. Order those things, download your printables, and get ready with your camera because you're going to see your kids' faces light up. You're going to see them fall in love with the journey of learning, and you're going to want to capture it on film. Have a great day.